Phil, can you tell me it, Phil?
Who's your buddy?
The one right underneath the blanket.
Who's your buddy? Phil?
Daddy's your buddy.
Who's your buddy?
Ha ha.
Who's your buddy? Who's the boss?
He's the boss.
Who loves you? Who's the baby? Who's the baby?
He's the baby.
I'm the baby?
Yeah.
No, I'm not the baby. You're the baby.
He's the baby.
Not the baby. It's the mommy.
He's the baby.
Is that Shakespeare? Right?
It's not.
Does she look good? Does it look good?
Come on in.
What happened?
Where's the little girl?
Okay.
Come on. Come back.
Is it gonna be scared?
Yep.
I look like a princess.
Kelly, do ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Rick, you slapped me with
H,
my...
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you next time sing with me? Good girl. What color is your heart?
Stand up. Stand up.
Red. What color is this heart? Good girl. What color is this right here? White.
Please.
What color is this heart right here?
Red.
Good girl.
What are you gonna do to me? What are you
Good
gonna
girl.